Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to present you the 27 nakshatra according to the Hindu mythology. So there are 27 nakshatras according to the Hindu mythology. Every person, every human being who born on this earth will be represent any one of these nakshatras only. That means a person who born on this earth will have a nakshatra, and that nakshatra will be among these 27 only. So I will present you the 27 nakshatras according to the Hindu mythology. So number 1 Ashwini, number 2 Bharani, number 3 Kritika, number 4 Rohini, number 5 Margashira, number 6 Arudra, number 7 Punarvasu, number 8 Pushya, number 9 Aslesha, number 10 Magha, number 11 Purva Palguni, number 12 Uttara Palguni, number 13 Hasta, number 14 Chitra, number 15 Swati, number 16 Vaishakha, number 17 Anuradha, number 18 Jyeshta, number 19 Moola, number 20 Purvashada, number 21 Uttarashada, number 22 Shravana, number 23 Dhanishta, number 24 Shatabhisha, number 25 Purva Bhadra, number 26 Uttara Bhadra, number 27 Revati. So these are all 4 nakshatras, and each nakshatra will have 4 padas, that means legs. So this is the total nakshatras according to the Hindu mythology. So viewers, keep watching my channel, subscribe my channel. I will present more good things to you. Thank you.